Aloha, Adventure Buddies! Welcome back to another episode of Cooking with G Muffin. In today's video, we are making cream puffs by our favorite King's Hawaiian. But first, cue the intro. In this week's recipe, we only have 3 ingredients: whipped cream, chocolate, and our favorite sweet rolls from King's Hawaiian. First, we gotta take out 12 pieces of King's Hawaiian sweetbread. Next, you have to get the knife and cut a hole in the middle of your Hawaiian bread to put the whipped cream in. But be careful, you might want to ask for an adult. Next, we get the whipped cream and put it into the hole. Next, we're going to melt the chocolate on the stove. Now we have to dip the Hawaiian bread into the chocolate. Finish it off, you gotta put some whipped cream on top. Thanks for watching, and remember, life's an adventure. Who you're going on it with. I want one so bad.
I want mustard.